and welcome to another Kev Cooks video. I'm going to play a survival. I don't know how many episodes I'm doing. Hopefully it'll be a maximum of 5. But if I die, that'll be the end of the game. So I'm going to play a map, and it's a good map. So I advise you to go to the website Minecraft DL. Download, of course. And it's called Floating Map Survival. It's very good. And it's been rated quite a lot. There's a hardcore style or easy style, and I've picked the easy style. And by the way, if any of you like my Terraria episodes, I don't know how to open it anymore. So it'll be a long time before I get that open, and I might do Cake Defense instead of doing my episodes of this. So we have to wait now until the map loads. It's very good though. I went on it before, and like you can do like so much stuff. It's unbelievable. There's like hidden treasure. You start in this building. Yep, you start near it. So this is the. I need to change my render distance because then you can see the other ones. You always have to be on easy or something in those lines. Oh, wait. So yeah, you're just in midair, and there's just water underneath. So no cheating. You may break craft anything. Survive for as long as you can without dying. Here's some. Well, yeah, this is just some stuff I can use. So when I first did this, I didn't really do anything good. I didn't think through anything, so I'm gonna get some wood because you spawn right next to a tree. It's over here. There's a cow. You need cows, so I want him to move. Go on, cow. Move. There we go. Last. He's done the exact same thing and done something even worse than last time. What I'm not really happy about. Escaped again. Yeah, the cow. Normally I can't kill the cow, but I'm just gonna make a home and get some other stuff. So we start. So yeah, it's about 120 islands. It's not good as planetoids because planetoids they're all separate and stuff. Unlike this one, you're floating. I was just gonna mine some wood. God, is it already turned dark? That's a shame. Good bit of me. Mine all this one. Right, I need to go to bed before I die. I think over there, yeah, the trees are massive. Don't know why, just are. So let's go to bed before die. Right or left, right or left. Dip, sky, blue. Who's not going to be the bird I pick? Not you. So the left. On the left. Last time I played, the zombies and stuff spawned and I couldn't sleep on the left. But now I can, and everything's just spawned. Great. They're burning. That's good. Oh, there he is. Back off! No, back! Oh, God. Back off, you foul beast. There we go. Just have to hope he doesn't just fly down. Attack me. Sadly, these trees spawn all the mobs, so they just come out of nowhere. Just flatten you. It's like, oh God, no, don't kill me. So I'm gonna just collect all this wood. Alright, I don't know which one to pick for, but I really might just go over there. Because there's like cobblestone and might be hidden treasure. So I'm gonna go over there. And I've got enough wood. Mine. Right, that'll be enough. I'll just get more wood if I want. Right, so. Put you there. If you don't know how to do that, just press shift. 100 single track line. So you've noticed there's a zombie just over there, my left corner. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, and then stop. Right, let's go diagonal now. Come on, stupid piece of wood. Yes. Did that work? Oh, that worked perfectly. There's maybe one dangerous path, but at least I found this. So let's keep going. Whoever made this, I'm going to congratulate them right now, because this is one good map. So lots of things you can do. All this, so let's find this hidden treasure. Well, that's what it told me on the video I watched. Oh, somebody previewing this. So nothing. Absolutely nothing. Well, I don't really think there's anything under. Let's just check. Always be suspicious what happens. It seems like there's nothing. It would be rubbish. It's just like a destroyed building. Right, before I do anything, connect you back with you. I'll make a crafting table. So, let's place one here. And make a pick. Well, I'm done in my other one. So, let's make one pick. And still these slabs, because they're nice. Come on, please be something. Just didn't want to waste my wood. Coming over here, no treasure except from cobblestone. Well, moss anyway. Come on, come on. Speed, pick. Speed. Oh dear God. Right, this island was dreadful. Let's go back down my perilous, dangerous, wobbly bridge. God's sake. Oh God. Problem is those be warned, don't fall, because those waterfalls don't actually let you back up. You have to mine something to get back up. Well, that place is explored. Nothing interesting. Except for cob. Right, let's go and mine this. This tree's just giving me a supply tree for now. I'm not going to nick all of it. Or it won't be good. So, dig. Right, let's get this wood. There. Screw my sword. That's what I've kind of said to myself. So, I'm going to travel to there. So, please don't fall. Oh, there's pigs there. Brilliant. Come on, keep moving. Right, there we go. Okay, keep going until I get there. Must be close now. Oh God, no. Right, I'm gonna make a sprinter. Come on, come on, no! Oh, before I can make that. Guess not. Oh, so close. Ah! You know where my bridge is. So I might go over there next. It's like so much spawn and everything. Right, I need to think of a way getting up this. So I know I'm not going to make that. So I've got a plan. Damn it! Right. God damn it. Right, we're going to try this one. Come on! Didn't want to run out of word. It's torture. See what I mean, everybody? This is why you don't want to fall. Come on. Speed! Come on. Come on. Get there. Pick out. Get a pet. Oh, there's coal. Oh, lovely. Oh, dear. Not one of these mean ones. No way. Oh, dear God. No. Goddamn annoying waterfalls. They're so annoying. Really don't want these annoying waterfalls in this game. I wish you could just make it so. Oh. Ah. Well, I'll try again. This time not failing. Get the word what's on this island. And then make the rest of my bridge. And be happy. And like now, having massive annoyance with the game. Anyway, if anyone's like played this game before but like keeps drowning from these kind of waterfalls, you don't have to. You can just like swim like on the side of it, and you won't die. It's epic. And this is my tactic. So, come on, mine. Yes. He's made ground. Yes. He's done it. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop now. Bye.